Welcome, space explorers, to an incredible journey through our solar system. Today, we'll dive into the wonders of the universe, focusing on the 8 planets that orbit our Sun, a blazing star at the heart of it all. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a massive cloud of gas and dust. And it's a tiny but fascinating part of the vast Milky Way galaxy. The Sun, a G-type main sequence star, provides the energy that sustains life on Earth and influences every planet in its orbit. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet has its own unique story to tell. So, buckle up as we embark on this cosmic adventure, exploring the beauty, mystery, and science of our planetary neighbors. Let's start with the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is a rocky world just 4,880 kilometers in diameter. About the size of Earth's moon. It's a planet of extremes, with surface temperatures swinging from a blistering 427 degrees Celsius during the day to a freezing -173 degrees at night. Due to its thin atmosphere, Mercury orbits the Sun in just 88 days, making its year the shortest of all planets. Its surface is heavily cratered, much like the Moon, with vast plains and steep cliffs called scarps. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has ice in its polar craters, where sunlight never reaches. The planet has no moons or rings, and its weak magnetic field hints at a large iron core. Mercury's grey, rugged landscape is a testament to its ancient history, shaped by billions of years of cosmic impacts. Venus. Next up is Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size, 12,104 kilometers in diameter. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is a hellish world, with surface temperatures averaging 464 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, thanks to a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. Its atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year of 225 days. Due to its slow, retrograde rotation, the planet's surface is dotted with volcanoes, some still active, and vast lava plains. Venus has no moons or rings, and its crushing atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth's. Shrouded in yellowish clouds, Venus glows brightly in our night sky, earning its nickname, the evening star. Earth. Now we arrive at Earth, our home, the only known planet with life in the universe. So far, Earth is 12,742 kilometers in diameter and sits at the perfect distance from the Sun, 149.6 million kilometers, in the habitable zone where liquid water exists. Our planet's surface is 71% water, with vast oceans, continents, and diverse ecosystems. Earth's atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and oxygen, protects us from solar radiation and supports life. It takes 24 hours to rotate once, giving us day and night, and 365.25 days to orbit the Sun. Define a year. Earth has one moon, which influences tides and stabilizes our axial tilt. From space, Earth is a stunning blue marble, with swirling white clouds, green forests, and brown deserts. Its magnetic field, generated by a molten iron core, shields us from harmful solar winds. Mars, the red planet, is our next stop, named for its reddish hue caused by iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Mars is 6,792 kilometers in diameter, about half the size of Earth. Its thin atmosphere, mostly seaborne dioxide, makes it cold, with temperatures averaging -65 degrees Celsius. Mars has the solar system's largest volcano, Olympus Mons, standing 22 kilometers high, and a massive canyon system, Valles Marineris, stretching over 4,000 kilometers. The planet has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, likely captured asteroids. Mars' polar ice caps contain water and carbon dioxide ice, and evidence of ancient riverbeds suggests it once had liquid water. A day on Mars, called a sol, is 24.6 hours. Similar to Earth's, Mars is a prime target for exploration, with rovers like Perseverance searching for signs of past life. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant with a diameter of 139,820 kilometers, 11 times that of Earth. It's a swirling ball of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface, and its iconic Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has raged for centuries. Jupiter's atmosphere features colorful bands of clouds and dozens of storms. It rotates fastly, completing a day in just 10 hours, but takes 12 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter has a powerful magnetic field and at least 95 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, bigger than Mercury. Its faint ring system is made of dust from its moons. Jupiter's immense gravity influences the entire solar system, acting as a cosmic shield by capturing comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten Earth. Saturn, the jewel of the solar system, is famous for its stunning ring system, the most extensive of any planet. This gas giant is 120,536 kilometers in diameter, with a composition similar to Jupiter's, mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn's rings, made of ice, rock, and dust, span 282,000 kilometers but are incredibly thin, sometimes just 10 meters thick. The planet rotates every 10.7 hours but takes 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Saturn has 145 moons, including Titan, larger than Mercury, with a thick atmosphere and lakes of methane. Saturn's pale yellow hue comes from ammonia crystals in its atmosphere. Its low density means it could float in water if you had a big enough ocean. Saturn's beauty and complexity make it a favorite for astronomers, revealing the intricate dance of gravity and orbits in our solar system. Uranus, an ice giant, is 50,724 kilometers in diameter and has a pale blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side, likely due to a Mars-Io collision in its past, with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. It takes 17 hours to rotate and 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Uranus is frigid, with temperatures dropping to -224 degrees Celsius, the coldest in the solar system. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, helium, and methane, with a mantle of water, ammonia, and methane ices surrounding a rocky core. Uranus has 27 known moons, named after Shakespearean characters, like Titania and Oberon, and a faint ring system. Its pale, featureless appearance hides a dynamic interior, with powerful winds and a weak magnetic field offset from its center. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is an ice giant 49,244 kilometers in diameter, glowing a deep blue from methane in its atmosphere. It's 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, taking 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Neptune rotates every 16 hours, but its winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching 2,400 kilometers per hour. The planet's great dark spot, a Mars-Ive storm, was observed by Voyager 2 in 1989. Neptune has 14 known moons, including Triton, which has geysers of nitrogen gas and may have a subsurface ocean. Its faint rings are made of dust and ice. Neptune's vivid blue color and dynamic weather make it a mysterious world. Despite its distance, Neptune radiates more heat than it receives from the Sun, hinting at an active internal energy source. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through the solar system, let's not forget the Sun, the star that powers it all, and dwarf planets like Pluto, which, at 2,377 kilometers in diameter, still captures our hearts despite its reclassification. Our solar system is a diverse and awe-inspiring place. From the rocky inner planets to the gas and ice giants, each with its own mysteries waiting to be explored. These worlds remind us of the vastness of space and our small but significant place within it. Advances in space exploration, like the James Webb Space Telescope, continue to reveal more about our cosmic neighborhood and beyond. I hope this journey has inspired you to look up at the night sky with wonder. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe one day, we'll discover life on another planet. Until then, stay curious, space explorers.